Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Steam Cloud sync error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now I'm recording from a phone, but I'll show you the process on how to do it. First, what you need to do is open up Steam on your PC, and once you're inside there, on the top bar you'll be seeing the options like Steam, View, Friends and Game. Now simply click on Steam. And once you click on Steam, here you'll be getting this drop down menu, and on there you'll be getting bunch of options. Simply click on the option that says settings, and once you click on settings, here a small dialog box or a pop-up box will be appearing in front of you. Now among them, here on the settings you'll be seeing bunch of options. Simply select cloud option, and once you click on cloud, here you'll be seeing this option. Now check to see if this enable Steam Cloud synchronization for application which supports it is toggled on or not. If it is toggled off, that might be the reason which might be causing the issue that you are facing. So just simply check this box or tick this box, and then here on the bottom you'll be getting OK button. Simply click on that. Then the last thing that you need to do is just restart the application and your problem will be fixed. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.